How to create highlights on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on your profile, which will lead you to your profile. In your profile, simply scroll down, you'll find highlights. Click on New with a plus sign below highlights. After you click on it, you'll find Stories. Click on Stories, and you'll find all your stories. Now simply select the stories you want to add in your highlight and press on Next at the bottom. Now you'll find Title. Simply give your highlight a title name. Now press on Save at the bottom. After you do this, your highlight will be created, as you can see. And this is how to create highlights on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.